Hi guys, so today I have a very exciting video. Today I will be doing a Fabfitfun unboxing. So if you guys would like to see what I received in my box, just keep on watching. Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I received my second Fabfitfun box. So I'm very excited to open this. I don't even know what's inside and I have not even watched videos about it. This is, like I said, the summer 2018 box. And if you guys don't know about Fabfitfun, it is a $200 value box subscription that you only pay $49.99, and it has full-size premium products delivered to your door, and it has free shipping, and this is only 4 times a year, so it makes it even more exciting because you don't receive it every single month. Like I told you guys before, this is the second one that I received, and this is how the box looks. It is so beautiful and colorful and cheerful. It has lemons and lemonade and birdies. It is so cute, and I have not even opened this, so let me go ahead and open it for you guys. Okay, Fabfitfun Taste of Summer, that's what the box is. And then you get the little newspaper right here, and inside it tells you the products that you received, a little description of it, and also it gives you the prices for each product and the website if you would like to purchase another one or repurchase one of the items that you got. I'm not going to see it because I really don't want to know what I have in here. And it says right here, share to win, hashtag Fabfitfun. A little strawberry right there. So I'm going to open it. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. There are so many products. Wow, I'm impressed. This is so cool. Okay. So let me give you a little glance. This is all the products right here. And it's so neatly packaged. I'm just gonna grab. Okay, so we got here a little box from Pure One Imports. I wonder what it is. Doesn't say in the box. Oh, this is so cute. I need one of these. It's a marble. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, why is the lighting not picking up? Let me check. Let me see why it's not. There you go. See, it's a marble tray. And it has gold on the outside. And it's for your rings. It's like a little ring dish. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is so nice because I actually need one of these for my bathroom counter. I always take off my watch and my Pandora bracelets and my rings, and I don't even know where to put it. So now I'll have this to put it in. That is so cool. Okay. The next item that I see is in this little mesh container. Wow. Oh wow, I've always wanted to try this one. Foreo Luna Fofo. I mean, not the Luna Fofo or whatever, but the Foreo. I've always... This is what it looks like right here. This is so awesome. I've heard really great things about the Foreo but I unfortunately cannot afford it. So this is really awesome. I'll be doing a review on this one. Stay tuned if you guys would like to see a review on this. Next thing that I see is Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, Focusing and Soothing. Okay, so just like the name says, this is a gel for massaging. Let me see. Let me try and open it. This is really hard. Okay. Smells very herbally. But this is awesome. Let me see what it says. Experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to de-stress your body after spending too long in one position or after too much physical activity. Apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles as often as necessary. This is actually pretty cool because my feet have been hurting a lot because my job demands me to be walking and standing and just going all over the place, and I wear heels because I'm stubborn and I'm a girl, and I know I shouldn't be wearing heels in the job site, but I'm a girly girl, okay? And I wear heels and I wear ripped jeans and pink. So yeah, I wear heels for 8 hours straight some days, and my feet are hurting me so much. Right now I was wearing Converse because I just couldn't handle the heels this morning. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying this out. I hope this works because I'm excited for my feet to go back to normal. Third item, another item that I see is an Elmis Papaya Enzyme Peel Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator, Advanced Skincare. It says apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water, exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Have I said I've been excited for everything? All of these items are really awesome. That is so cool. I'll definitely be doing a review on this because it's an enzyme peel. And I know it's going to work probably with my scars. So I'll keep you posted on this. Okay, another thing that I received that I see here is a Classic Face Sport sunscreen. And this is from the brand Kula or something like that. And I've seen this sunscreen before, but I've never given it a try. So, and it's SPF 50, very helpful for this summer. Another thing that I see that it's very nice is the Tarte Pro Glow palette. Look at this. Wow. I don't have this palette. This is so exciting. Let me see. Oh, yay! Look at all these beautiful colors. Do you guys see this? And it has a mirror here and a mirror here. And it closes like that. This is so nice. So you have a highlighter here, and it's called Lit, and then the strobe, and then the fire, and then stunner, and then This is like a bronzer, like a cream bronzer. And I don't own any bronzers because I actually don't know how to bronze my face, as silly as it sounds. And I know I should because I have a white nose and a double chin. And then we have Sculpt. This is like a very, oh my goodness, this is so cool. I'm gonna be using shade, the creamy, I'm gonna be using this as a bronzer, cream bronzer or something. I'll give it a try. I mean, if it doesn't come out right, whatever, I'll just wash it off. Wish me luck. Okay, another thing that I see right here, it says Mahi Sport, and it goes like this. And I don't know what this is. It's like a workout band. Okay. Okay, this is pretty cool. Like a resistance band. See? Oh, this is so cool. And I need it for my shoulders because, as you guys can see, I have really fat arms and I hate it. But I don't work them out because I'm lazy. I rather work out my legs and my bum and my core. But this is going to help me work out the arms while I'm squatting, or yeah. That's the idea that I got when I saw this. But I'll be reading you guys a little bit about everything that I received in the little newspaper that I received. So stay tuned for that. Give me 1 second. And then last but not least, I got this. Let's see. Summer Rose. What is this? This is so cool. Let me open it. Looks like a towel. I might be wrong, I'm not sure. Make your own sunshine. What? Beach towel, yay! This is a beach towel. This is so cool. And I might be going to the beach, but not anytime soon, unfortunately. Oh my goodness, look at this, it's so cute. It is so cute. Look. It has wonderful colors. This is really cute. And this is huge too. Look at this. Wow. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. And it feels really soft. It's like microfiber. Let me see. It doesn't say, but okay. So let me read to you guys about the products that I received. That way you guys get an idea of this summer box. And if you are interested in getting one of these, I will have a coupon code for you guys. It would be MAMIPOSA10, and you can get $10 off your first box. And I will also put it in the description box for you guys. Okay, so let me see. So the Tarte TS Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette is $45. The Summer and Rose Beach Towel, which is this beautiful long towel. This one is $55. And I can see why it's so expensive. This is super soft, and I'm pretty sure it's very, how do you call that? Like it grabs the water. I don't know. I can't even think. Okay, and then the next thing that I received, I already talked about that. The sunscreen is Face Sport SPF 50 YT Moisturizer. No, this is the, yeah. Oh wow. It's a sunscreen and a moisturizer. I didn't know that. This one is $32. the amazing tray. The very first one that I opened is $14.99 at Pure One Imports. This is really, really cute and very, very helpful because I really needed it. This is a resistance band, Titan's Tones. This band will add a challenge to any workout. Yep, for abs and biceps, legs and back muscles. It's $15. Awesome. Then the Foreo Luna Fofo. This is the star of the whole shebang. This one is $89. And I can't wait to use this because this is an amazing product to cleanse your face. So I can't wait to use this. Facial cleansing brush. Okay, the next thing is the Elmis. Let me find it. Where is it? Okay, the Elmis Papaya Enzyme Pill is $45. Wow, that is expensive. I'm gonna take really good care of this, and I'm definitely making a separate video on this by itself because it's probably going to help me a lot. And then I have the Aromatherapy Associates. This one is right here. It's $39. De-Stress Muscle Gel. That is really awesome. And that is it. Those are all the items that I received, guys. And I am very, very excited, as you guys can see. And like I told you before, this is the second box that I received, so I'm very, very pleased. Thank you, Fabfitfun, for sending me this box. I really appreciate it. I'm definitely going to use every single item that I received. I appreciate it a lot. Well, guys, that is it for this video. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys would like to purchase the box like I told you guys, I have a coupon code, MAMIPOSA10, right here. And you can get $10 off your first box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. So yeah, I'm very excited and very thankful at the same time. Well, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any video recommendations, leave them in the description box below. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.